Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of binary arithmetic. In this section of digital logic and design, we will focus on addition, specifically exploring the rules and carry propagation involved in binary addition. Let's begin with the basic rules of binary addition. These rules are fundamental to understanding how binary numbers are added together. First, 0 plus 0 equals 0. Next, 0 plus 1 equals 1. Then 1 plus 0 equals 1. Finally, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. This last rule introduces the concept of carry, which we'll explore further. Now let's understand the carry. As we saw, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0 in binary. When the sum exceeds 1, it generates a carry. This means that the result is 0 in the current position, and a carry of 1 is sent to the next position, just like in decimal addition when you add numbers and get a sum greater than 9. Let's take a look at a simple example. We're adding the binary numbers 101 and 011. When we add these two numbers, the result is 1000. This example will give a basic overview of how binary addition is performed. Let's break down the addition process step by step. Step 1. Start from the rightmost bit. Here we have 1 plus 1, which equals 1, 0. Step 2. Write 0 and carry 1 to the next position. So the carry is 1. We will continue this process for the rest of the digits. Here's an example illustrating carry propagation. Notice the carries at the top of the addition problem, 111 plus 111. Starting from the right, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0, so we write down 0 and carry 1. Then, in the next column, we have 1 plus the carry 1, which equals 1, 1, so we write down 1 and carry 1, and so on. The final result is 1110. Here's a simple algorithm for binary addition. For each bit from 0 to n-1, calculate the sum of the bits in A and B plus the carry. The result for that bit is the sum modulo 2, which is the remainder when the sum is divided by 2. The new carry is the sum divided by 2, representing whether there is a carry to the next bit. In summary, there are 4 basic rules that govern binary addition. Also, carry propagation handles the overflow to the next position. Understanding these rules and how carry propagation works are essential for performing binary addition correctly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.